time, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to discuss the potential big move we can have ahead of us for Chainlink. I'm also going to be covering BTC and also XRP, so stay tuned if you want to watch those breakdowns. But before I jump in this video, I just want to bring your attention to my Telegram. The link is in the description, guys. So I give all my real-time trades and analysis on my free Telegram, so go give me a follow. And more recently we had this Litecoin trade. I gave the fib extension of 0.027 as first take profit zone, and as you can see, this played out to absolute perfection. So go give me a follow on my Telegram. You get all my up-to-date trades analysis and the latest cryptocurrency news. The link is in the description. So first of all, I'm going to jump into Chainlink. I just want to currently show you what's going on. So we had this absolutely parabolic move from 30 cents all the way to $4.70, and since then price has moved sideways. We've dropped down to the $1.40 zone, and then we've kind of had this mini surge higher, and then price is currently consolidating. But one thing I've noticed, this pattern that is being currently forming on Chainlink, this pattern is a bullish pattern. It is known as an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle is formed of a flat line of resistance and up sloping support. As you can see, this pattern is playing out perfectly. But like I say many times again, and I repeat this on my Telegram, no pattern is valid into confirmation. So at the moment, this pattern doesn't mean anything to me until we get the confirmation of the break to the upside. Just the fact that this pattern has been playing out pretty much since the beginning of October, and now we're in the beginning of November, because it's multi-week pattern. If we do have a break to the upside, I believe this break will be a very strong break. Just the fact that I'm pretty sure most other traders trading this altcoin will be seeing this exact same pattern. Also, we are above the 50-day moving average, which is another positive to me. We have found support time and time again in this zone here. Just want to show you, if I just make this a bit more precise. So as you can see, every time we've hit this pattern here, this upsloping support, we have found nice support. But like I said, this pattern doesn't need to play out. We could also have this, so we have support, and then we have a break to the downside. If we do have a break to the downside, this pattern here is no longer valid, and then we'll be looking for some further downside targets. But at the moment, my first target, so basically what I did, I drew the fib extension from the low back here in October of roughly $1.46 all the way to the most significant high here of $3, and it gives us the upside target of $3.43. I just want to show you where it lines up to. It lines perfectly with this area of confluence here. We've had previous price action, and then the further upside target is $3.97, but more than likely will be $4, because price likes to go to a round number. So these are my two zones here that I'm targeting if we do break above this zone. So like I said, the minus 0.27 fib will be my first target, and the minus 618 fib will be my second target. And as you know, if we do break above the all-time high, that will be very bullish price. But I'm expecting some kind of resistance in this zone here. Just the fact that this is an all-time high, and it is a very significant region for Chainlink. So I just want to bring this on your radar, just one to watch. I will update you on real time on my Telegram, guys. Once again, the link is in the description, and I'll give you real time analysis of how this pattern unfollows and if it does break to the upside, this see how accurate our targets are, and also if we do break down to the downside, which are our downside targets. And as you can see, our downside targets are already mapped out with the fib extension. So next up, I just want to cover quickly Bitcoin, because I know a lot of you guys want to do trade Bitcoin, and as I said in the past, BTC has the most dominance in the market, and usually where the price of BTC decides to go, the other altcoins follow. So once again, we had this falling wedge here forming over many months here, guys. This has been forming since back in June. We finally got a break to the upside, and as you can see, this broken resistance has become support. I mean, so far we've had 3 candles. This is on the 3-day time frame, bearing in mind we've had 3 candles touch on this region, so that shows me there's a lot of buying orders set in this region. But if I just flip onto the daily, just to see a bit more detail of what's currently going on. So if we do break under this support here, which was previous resistance, and we break under this grey zone of support here, I believe this could send price down to this target of 618, which is this zone of interest here. If we do break under, you already know where we're going. We're going to have retest of 7,400, 7,500, but it all depends if we can stay above this region. To get bullish on this coin, once again on BTC, like I said, we have been on the daily time frame. Again, we are forming these lower highs once again and forming these lower lows. So I'm going to need to see a break of this down sloping resistance that we have forming here. I need to see a break above this, and we're going to need to take out all these candles here, and ultimately we're going to have to retest and take out this candle here, which aligns with this whole region here to be taken out. So unless this whole region is taken out, I'm still remaining pretty bullish on this coin until we get some kind of movement, either break to the downside or break to the upside, and then we can discuss further of what the next plan is for our trade. Next up, I'm going to switch over to XRP. Just to quickly cover on my last video about XRP, I put why is price going down. There was a few dislikes on that video, but guys, don't get it mixed up, don't get it twisted. I'm a big believer in XRP and the long-term project. I am very bullish long-term, but on the short-term, price is very constricted and price is looking bearish in my opinion. As you can see, since falling down in this region, price is just bouncing in between this tight zone here. Sometimes in trading, guys, I mean, because we're in a tight zone here, it is good to anticipate a break of this move so we can plot our next trade. But at the moment, we're in this tight trade here, this tight trading zone at the moment, so it can be very difficult to dictate where price is going. And I've said in this in the past, XRP is one of them coins that is been in an accumulation zone for many months. This new zone here, it just shows to me this whole area here, there's a lot of sell pressure here, and in this zone here we have a lot of buy orders set. But until we get a definitive break of either zone, and then I'll be plotting the next trade. At the moment, I can see further downside, a potential retest of this support of roughly 25 to 24 cents. But if we do eventually get a break of this zone, my first area of interest would be this recent high here that we had here of roughly 39 to 40 cents. Then ultimately my next potential target would be this zone of 49 to 50 cents. Once again, round numbers, because traders like to trade off round numbers of 40 and 50 cents, for example, on this XRP chart. So Once again, don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram to get all my up-to-date and real-time analysis, guys. Like I said, I'm going to be following this ascending triangle pattern on Chainlink on my Telegram, and I'll give you updates accordingly. And you'll also be seeing my live trades that I'll be taking if we do break to the upside or if we break to the downside. So go and give me a follow on my Telegram. The link is in the description. Also, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the comments section and let me guys know what you like to see in the next video. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Crypto Chris over and out.